Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Hope you are doing good. Now today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your RBC online banking account on PC. Let's start right now to log into your RCB online banking on your computer. If you guys are new here, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. First, open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address rbcroyalbank.com and hit on enter. It will take you to the official website of RBC Online Banking. We will be clicking on this sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Now to log into your RBC Royal Bank Online from over here, you have to enter your client card or username like this and click on save client card or username for further use. If you want to recover your username, just click on recover the username and hit on next. Similarly, enter your password like this. If you want to confirm your password or want to see your password, just click on I icon. It will show you your password. Now once you hit on sign in, you will able to log into your RCB online banking. In case if you forget your password, just click on set your password. And if you're having trouble to sign in, just click on having trouble signing in. This much for today. If you guys found this video informative, just comment down below. It will give us motivation to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching.